How do we get this low? You come over and we start a fight. Never know who's wrong or right. Feel nothing when you go. I know it's not intelligent, drinking for the hell of it, but that's irrelevant now. We should talk about us. How come we're holding on? Cause really I don't see the benefits now. When you're broken my trust, so I just wonder. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing one of the 2 Halloween looks that I have planned for you guys this year. This is my first time trying out any Halloween look whatsoever. This look was inspired by Kali Bible. I hope you guys enjoy it. So I already done my skin and my brows off camera. I do this in every video, so I just decided to skip this time around. So I just started by putting my eyeshadow base, the Nye Clown White, and now I took this shade from the Moodbeauty eyeshadow palette to use as my transition color. So I'm just using a white glam brush to apply that transition color. Then I went into this Moodbeauty blush. It's actually a blush, this pink shade. I love it so much. I love it for a lot of things, for eyeshadow, for blush. I just love this color. So I'm just going to put this in the inner corner of my eyes using this Nuban Beauty brush. Then I went into this Hudabeauty eyeshadow palette and I went into this silver shade right here. This silver shade was so pigmented, you guys. I was not even expecting, like, I was supposed to use glitter for the silver, but by the time I was done using this eyeshadow, there was no point in going into glitter, so I just left it. I went back into that transition color and I'm using a small crease brush to blend out the crease line, just to diffuse it a bit so it's not harsh. Then I went back into that first brush I used before to further blend it. Then I went into this purple haze from Hudabeauty. I'm really sorry, I used a whole lot of eyeshadows in this look. I don't know why. One eyeshadow didn't just have everything that I wanted, so I just took that purple shade and applied it. Do you see how rich all these colors are? So I'm pretty much just blending. Then I went into that Moodbeauty eyeshadow palette again. The first one I used, I just grabbed that dark brown shade just to darken the outer corner of the eyes. And I went into my Inglot Gel Liner to line my eyelids. So I just gave myself a wing. So right now I'm showing you guys the stones I used for the stones, and this is the glue I used, this clear glue from Duo. This look wasn't as difficult as I thought it was going to be using this glue. Like, this glue was just perfection. Like, it made the job so much easier than when I normally do stone looks. I sent my assistant to get these stones and I actually wanted really small ones. Like, really small ones would have been perfect for this. I felt like this one was too big, but it worked anyway. So I just placed it on my eyes like a cut crease, then on top of my brows. Later on I realized it was easier for me to just do the dots with the glue first before going into the stones. So I'm just using my tweezers, pick the stones, apply. Then this one, ooh, I love this one. I've always wanted to try this kind of look. You don't understand how excited I was doing this look. So I just placed that emerald one just in the center of my head like an Indian lady. I just mixed up the stones, big, small, for the size of my face. Trust me, this glue, oh god, and it was so cheap. I got it for 1,000 naira. That's like $3. Oh. Then I went into that purple shade just to smoke my bottom lash line. This look was easy to do, I promise you. So if you are thinking of recreating it, it wasn't so hard to do, trust me. So I just applied the light pink shade in the beginning of the under eye and the purple one on the outer corner. Then I went into my Hudabeauty Mascara and I'm just using it to apply on my lashes. Then for lashes, I used this one from Glamaddict in the style Swanky. And yeah,
I got these flowers from my flowers at home. Like I just picked some. I just used this to decorate my hair. I just put some bundles on my natural hair, then weaved it down like this in a braid. Then I decided to put some along my hairline, like I'm doing right now. I really wish I got smaller stones. If I had gotten smaller stones, I promise you I would have done way more stones than this. But it ended up being perfect, actually. Oh my god, you guys, I don't know how this clip is not here, but I actually put 2 stones on my bottom lash line, just in the middle. Then I'm applying bottom lashes from Wynkklashes, the really long ones. So I'm just proceeding to finish my skin, doing my contour. Then for my lips, I'm lining with the Beautybyad in Khaki. I was thinking of doing something bold, but I wasn't sure. I was like, let me just stick to something subtle. I don't know what's up that day, but my lips I don't know. I'm sorry. I know you don't like. I know it's not great. I don't like it either. But like, I was tired. It was already like what time? Like 12 a.m. I was tired, man. I wanted this look to just be over with, to be honest with you. And I felt the look wasn't about the lips. That's such a silly excuse. And I went into my Imagic palette and just applied this new pink shade. So that is pretty much it for the lips. Oh, I actually proceeded to set it using eyeshadow. Like that made a difference. And I'm using my Kiss Beauty setting spray to spray my face. Then I went into the Beautybyad highlighter in Sheen using the CVL brush. For my nose highlights, I use this small precise brush from Moodbeauty. You guys always ask for my brushes, so I'm trying to see them in this video. So the brushes I used are from Moodbeauty and White Glam. So I just use that orange eyeshadow as my blush. You guys know I love using orange for my blush. So right now I'm proceeding to finish wearing the outfits. Hami Jani made this outfit for me, and she made it in like a day. Like I just told her last minute and she made it so nice. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I really had so much fun creating it. I've loved this look since I first saw it on Khaki Bible. Did you really just do that?
I love this look.
Crazy.
This look is so sexy.
It's so sexy.
I love it.
F-I-Wara everybody.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you just made this video, I swear. All you entire fans that always come for me in my comment section where you say Papi, so I'm now taking him home because
Take me now, take me.
I don't want to, please carry go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Please subscribe, like, drop a comment, and I'll see you in my next video.
So,
bye guys.
How was that different for what? I'm very proud of my favorite student. I'm so proud of her. Bring her up and makeup.
Teacher,
hopefully I'll do her makeup one day and prove to you guys that I'm the master.
See me, you said that with all seriousness.
Subscribe. Master. Subscribe.
Bye guys.
I'm staring through your window, looking up at the stars, up at the stars. I'm caught inside a loop where I can get to your heart, get to your heart.